Hello friends, how is your preparation going on? 2025 prelims is very close. I hope your preparation is solid and you guys will rock in this prelims. In this video, we'll try to learn few tricks, how to eliminate wrong ones, how to eliminate the options which are very weird, and then try to get to the right answers. But the process is just the same. You have to read the passage, find the meaning, find the crux of the passage, and then only you can eliminate the option. You cannot directly go on to eliminate and then to get the right answer. So yes, my objective is to help you guys to score at least at least I would say 10 more marks than what you guys are presently scoring. Hope my video lectures are of help to you guys. So yes, I'll be reading the passage and then I'll be moving on to the questions. If you guys wish to skip the passage reading, you can directly move on to the questions and then be with me while I'll eliminate the wrong options. So here the passage goes. Approximately 80% of all flowering plant species are pollinated by animals. So it is about pollination and the animals, including birds and mammals. But the main pollinators are insects. Pollination is responsible for providing us with a wide variety of food. So it is the benefit of pollination, positives, as well as many plant-derived medicines. At least one-third of the world's agricultural crops depend upon pollination. Bees are the most dominant taxa when it comes to pollination, and they are crucial to more than 400 crops. All right. Pollination is an essential service that is the result of intricate relationship between plants and animals. So it is about pollination, and it says that we require plants and animals. Fine. And the reduction or loss of either affects the survival of both. So reduction of either will impact the survival of both. Effective pollination requires resources such as refuse of pristine natural vegetation. Fine, we'll directly move to the question. Let's see what the question says. On the basis of passage given above, the following assumptions have been made. Let's see. Point number one. Sustainable production of India's cereal food crops is impossible without the diversity of pollinating animals. Now, 3 points has been the main crux of this point number one. Cereal food crops, impossible without the diversity. No mention about cereal crops. It is a new point. New point needs to be eliminated. And then it also depends upon diversity of pollinating animals. So again, diversity is nowhere mentioned. It is saying that animals, pollinating animals are responsible and it is needed. So it is an easy option that needs to be eliminated. Fine. Point number two. Monoculture of horticultural crops hampers the survival of insects. Now again, no mention of monoculture. It only says about pollination. That is again a new and a wild point, I would say. Wild point. Eliminate it. Easy elimination. No mention of monoculture in the passage. We have to answer only based on the passage that has been provided. No GS knowledge has to be brought into CSAT paper. So first and second points has been eliminated. Now moving directly to the answer. This has been eliminated. Option number one is wrong. Option number two is present here. We have to eliminate it again. So this is again a wrong one. 1 and 2 is wrong. So we are left only with option number D, and that is 3 and 4. But still we'll see point number 3. Pollinators become scarce in cultivated areas devoid of natural vegetation. Yes, there has been said a relationship between plants and animals. Any reduction of either will also result into survival effect on both or either. So yes, if pollinators becomes scarce in area where plants are less. If plants are less, so animals will also become less. So point number 3 is correct. Point number 4, diversity in insect induces diversity of plants. Again, animals and plants are directly linked. When it is lowering, it goes, the population of both will go down, and diversity of insect will also induce the diversity of plants. So point number 4 is correct. So we are left with only option D, and it was an easy elimination process that has to be followed. Any new point, any wild point which is nowhere mentioned in the passage needs to be eliminated. It is a thumb rule of elimination. And that brings you a scoring point, and that is how you get to the correct answer, and that is option number D. So best wishes for your prelims and keep practicing. Thank you.